Viewers, I want to show you today Anker SoundBuds card. This is a good headset. I think this specification is very nice. It's showing here this battery life is 14 hours. It's very good and complete hold and waterproof. It's a sports headphone. It's look very nice and its specification is, I think, very good. Let's see, we have to open this box and we will see how it is. Its price point is not huge. It is a budget headset. It's now we have to open this one carefully. Let's see. This is the box, very cute small box, and I have to open this. This is the box. This is the very good. I like this type of things inside the in carry box. And this is the inside box. There is this user manual and some paper also. This is owner manual, and there is some fittings for your ear. And here is the clip. Some clip. We will see. This is how this fittings is. This is 1, 2, 3, 4, and also this one for your different type of ear hook canal hole. This is the one. How many you have? This is the small, this is medium, this is the large, this is a small, medium, large. This is one, 2, 3, 4, four sets. We will check after opening this. There is cable for charging, and this is the another packet, which is, I don't know what is the inside. Oh, another type of earbuds. This is very soft. I think this is the very good let's say this is the box. We put aside this one, and there is another also. I don't know, it's a lot of things here. Oh, this is the clip, and this is the clip, and for the holding. We'll open this one. Let's say this is the inside. Oh, this is the our dream thing. This one, it's very good, very light, and looks very beautiful. Yeah, it's very soft. This holder is very soft. So now we have to open this one. We open. Maybe. Open. This is the press and hold this button. If you press and hold this button, it will be open. Now is pairing mode. Let's say we pair this one in the Android phone. How it is. Still didn't recognize this device. SoundBuds curve. I got it. Now is pairing. It's very soft and nice, solidly paired. Now we'll see this music, how music is. Let's say right, this one is right.